wedding ceremony of Henrietta Uzo Amaka and John Chidi Ebele.
AGBAEGO, as is popularly called Chidi, is man of the people.
My advice is that they should always listen to one another.
You must forgive.
I'm enjoying marriage, and I pray this one will work out.
I pray that you people will have lots and lots of children.
Great men and women converge from every nooks and crannies of the world to attend this wonderful wedding ceremony.
My prayer for him and his wife is that they show love to one another.
They should love themselves. I know it is love that brought them together.
We are here to support him in full force. Most of Nollywood members are here.
My prayer is that God will bless your marriage. You will see your children.
Pray to them today that God will meet them at the point of their needs. Give them children. That's the next thing we are looking for, and bless them beyond their imagination.
The couples should see themselves as friends. You're married. I don't see it as a difficult task.